In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify inventory not tracked. If you're noticing that your products aren't showing correct stock levels, or customers can still buy items that should be sold out, it usually means the inventory tracking for those products isn't set up properly. I'll walk you through exactly what to check and how to fix it, step by step, right inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. Choose the specific product that's having inventory issues by clicking on its name to open the product editor. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down until you find the inventory section. If your product has variants, like different sizes or colors, you won't see a single inventory box for the whole product. Instead, you'll need to scroll to the variant section and click on the specific variant you want to fix. That will open a variant editor panel, and inside that panel, you'll see its own inventory section. In the inventory section, look for the option labeled something like Track Quantity or Inventory Tracked. Make sure this is toggled on. If it's off, Shopify won't track stock for that item at all, which is often the root of the problem. Turning this on tells Shopify to actually count your available units. Next, still in the inventory area, make sure your product is assigned to at least one location. You should see a list of locations or a pencil icon beside the word locations. Click that pencil icon to open a pop-up. In this pop-up, select the locations where you physically store or fulfill this product, and then assign a quantity to each one. This number should match how many units you actually have on hand. When you're done, confirm your changes in that pop-up. While you're still in the inventory card, look for the option that says Continue Selling when out of stock. Make sure this is turned off. If it's on, Shopify will allow customers to keep buying even when the tracked quantity reaches 0, which can cause overselling. Now, scroll back up to the top of the page. On the right-hand sidebar, find the Publishing or Sales Channels card. Click the small settings icon at the top right of that card. A pop-up will appear showing your available sales channels. Make sure that Online Store is checked so the product can actually appear and be sold on your storefront. Then click Done at the bottom of that pop-up. Finally, if you've made any changes, don't forget to save them. Look toward the top of the screen near the search bar and click the Save button. Wait for the page to finish saving, and your inventory tracking settings should now be correctly applied.